Roles of a travel agency in tourism: information provider, acts as a hub for destination and service details. Provides suggestions on flights, hotels, and activities. Helps customers make informed decisions based on budget and preferences. Ticketing: handles domestic and international airline and railway tickets. Offers options with different airfares and services, e.g., budget airlines. Tour packages: serves as a bridge between tour operators and tourists. Offers customized packages, including airport transfers, accommodation, sightseeing, and more. Sells cruise packages, explaining different options and facilities. Documentation: assists with travel documents like passports, visas, and health certificates. Foreign exchange: provides foreign currency and travel checks, with RBI authorization. Insurance: collaborates with insurance companies to offer travel insurance policies. MICE: meetings, incentives, conferences, expositions, organizes corporate events and conferences, handling all travel and accommodation logistics. Other services: assists with car rentals, tour guides, and additional tourist needs.